CMS Overview. Registration. In this video, we would like to briefly introduce you to the fundamental elements that you will work with throughout the entire CMS Content Management System. Your journey begins with a registration process, during which you will be prompted to provide the necessary information. Company Profile. Once your profile has been successfully created, you will have the ability to edit and enrich it with additional details. When you create a guide, your profile will be prominently displayed in the app as the author, so be precise with the name. To enhance your credibility, be sure to upload a profile picture or, in the case of a company, a logo, description, website, phone, email, and Facebook or Instagram profile link. Now let's proceed to the introduction of key elements you will be working with in CMS. Before we dive in, let me emphasize two important points. First, each of the 4 elements we will discuss will have a dedicated video tutorial. In these videos, I'll explain how to create, edit, and manage each element in detail. Second, it's crucial to understand how these 4 elements are presented in the application. If you haven't already seen the introductory video where we provide an overview of the entire application, we recommend watching that first. So let's move to the first key element, destinations. Now, let's open the Destinations tab. Here, we have only one destination, which is Cali. Upon opening this destination, you'll see an overview. As we mentioned earlier, the process of creating and editing destinations will be covered in another video. Each destination has a map with its bounding box, which is a border where you can create places. The creation and location of places is made straight from this map. This will be also covered in another video. Places. The second element is destination places. If you've already created your own places, they will be located in the My Places folder. If there are places created by other authors or loaded from an external database that you can edit, you'll find them under All Places. If you haven't created any places yet, only the default places will be available or nothing. Tours. The third element is tours. In this particular destination, we have only one tour titled In the Footsteps of Cali's Culture. The fourth and final element is tour places. The distinction between a destination place and a tour place lies in their application. A tour place is associated with a specific tour. This is advantageous because if you create multiple tours and want to include the same place in different tours, you can simply add that place to your tour and customize it according to the tour's theme. For instance, let's consider Catedral de San Pedro. As a destination place, it contains a generic narrative of Catedral de San Pedro on the destination level for a mainstream visitor, but includes a different story about St. Paul's Cathedral on a Cali in a nutshell tour and different description, and perhaps even a photo would include on a tour for architects. To summarize, within a destination, you have destination places. Within tours, you have tour places. Each of these elements plays a distinct role in the content management system, and understanding their relationships will enable you to manage your content effectively.